The analysis window. The analysis window contains information related to words, verses, and search results in the search and browse windows of BibleWorks. Let's explore the function of each tab in the analysis window. The Analysis tab provides information for the word that you place your mouse cursor over in the Browse window. As you move your mouse cursor over words, you can freeze the information in the Analysis tab by holding down the Shift key on your keyboard. While the Shift key is held down, your mouse cursor can move over any text in a tagged version, and the Analysis window will not update. But when you release the Shift key, the Analysis window will continue to update. You can also right-click in the Analysis window and choose to update only when the Shift key is depressed, as an alternative means of using the Analysis window information. When you wish to return the Analysis window to normal function, right-click again in the Analysis window and uncheck the Update only when Shift key depressed. The Analysis window provides a Strong's number, the lemma or lexical form of the Greek or Hebrew word, plus a transliteration, and BDB or Thayer lexicon definitions for several English versions. For the King James Version and the New King James Version, and for the New American Standard and New American Standard Updated Version, the Analysis window provides the Lockman-Strong's definitions. For other English versions, translator notes are provided in the Analysis window. When we hold our mouse cursor over a Greek or Hebrew word, the form of the word, parsing information, and the lemma or lexical form of the word is shown in the Analysis window, plus a definition from a Greek or Hebrew lexicon. You can change the default Greek or Hebrew lexicon by right-clicking in the Analysis window and choosing either Default Analysis Window Greek Lexicon or Default Analysis Window Hebrew Lexicon. The next time you place your mouse cursor over a word in that language version, the Analysis window will display the entry from the lexicon you've chosen. Now let's take a look at the Resources tab. The Resources tab provides a comprehensive index to information on the current word or verse in the Browse window. It updates when you hold your mouse cursor over words in a Greek or Hebrew version. Again, you can freeze the Resources tab by holding down your Shift key, and then as you move your mouse cursor over into the Resources tab information, you can view the various lexicon entries that appear there by clicking on them and opening the lexicon browser. Lexicon entries appear in the upper portion of the Resources tab with a blue background, and as we go further down in our list, we find references to grammars where the word or verse is discussed in the grammar. Grammars have a pink background to their title. And other resources in BibleWorks that may have reference to the particular verse you are viewing in the Browse window appear in the lower portion of the Resources window with a green background behind the title. So you can view where the early church fathers may discuss a verse. Or if you have study Bibles or other materials that you wish to explore. Again, you may click on each of these entries to open that resource in a floating window. The Notes and the Editor tab are a place to take notes on the verses that you are viewing in BibleWorks. They each have a number of buttons that give you many formatting options. And for the Notes tab, a note is automatically saved for the chapter or verse that you are currently working on when you switch to a new chapter or verse. The Notes tab distinguishes between whether you are taking a chapter or verse note by whether you have chapter checked or unchecked. When chapter is checked, you are taking a chapter note. When chapter is unchecked, you are taking a verse note. The Use tab conducts an instant search of any word that you hold your mouse cursor over in the browse window. It does so in the version that you are currently holding your mouse cursor over. The Verse tab gives you quick access to several resources that have information relating to the current browse window verse. For example, you can view the Net Bible in the Verse tab. The Net Bible, or New English Translation, contains over 60,000 translator, study, and text-critical notes. With the drop-down list, you can also view the Tischendorf apparatus or the CNTTS apparatus. The Manuscripts tab, abbreviated MSS, allows you to view information on New Testament manuscripts. It provides a collation table of the current verse in the versions indicated under the Tools collation options, and a manuscript image may be chosen for display here. Some verses may contain transcription notes concerning the text in the manuscript image. The XRefs, or Cross-References tab, displays multiple cross-reference systems that will update with the verse as you scroll through your text in the browse window. Thus, it is key to the browse window verse. The XReferences tab offers multiple cross-reference systems for you to use. The Stats tab allows you to graphically view the distribution of your search hits. It is key to the last search that you undertook and the search results that display in the search window. It graphs your results by frequency of occurrences, but there are options to set for descending or ascending order, or a normal canonical order. The Options button offers options to configure the graph to display by book, chapter, or verse as well. The Browse tab offers a quick check of the immediate context of the verse that you are studying in the browse window. It can function as an alternative to toggling between single version and multiple version browse mode in the browse window. The Words tab displays a full word list for the current search version in the leftmost window, and a word list containing all the words in your current search results. The Wildcard expansion of Command Line list displays all the words that one just searched for, and if you use wildcards in your search, it will show you all the words that were found in your last search. Each word in this word list can be searched for when you click on the word. And word frequency is listed for the book or within the search results. The Context tab displays word lists for the current Bible outline pericope, the browse window book, or the browse window chapter. They are all displayed in your current search version. Each word indicates the frequency in the category, book, or chapter, and you can right-click to sort the list alphabetically as well, if you're looking for particular words. Like the Words tab, you can click on a word to instantly search for that word, but each of these word lists functions as a search limits. Thus, when you click on a word within the pericope word list, you'll be searching within only that pericope. Or if you click within a word in the book context, you'll be searching only within that book. The Version tab provides copyright and source information for the version that you've currently held your mouse cursor over within the browse window. The various tabs can also be displayed in two parallel columns by clicking on the red arrow in the upper right corner.